Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It's like 10 a.m. but I've been up for like 5 hours. I usually wake up really early, maybe like 5 o'clock, do some work for a few hours, go on a run, come back, watch some Netflix, eat breakfast, make another cup of coffee, take a shower. It's pretty much what I do before I start all of these vlogs. I just never talk about it because it's not really vlog worthy and because I don't look cute yet. Now I have packed all my bags because I am leaving to Dallas. I am gonna go I don't know how that just happened. I'm gonna go stay with Caitlin and Justin for the weekend. Should be fun. All right, let's go. Vlogmas day 5. I don't know, let's go. Hopefully you don't fall from there. So I'm driving now. I'm driving through the neighborhood. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be unsafe and vlog the trip there. It takes about 4 hours to get there, so it takes me about 5 hours because I'm really slow. I'm gonna meet them at a coffee shop because they're writing a paper for him, and then I actually have some stuff to do. I have like an interview. I'm really like, I don't know. No one's ever interviewed me before, but this girl is interviewing me for her school about like being an influencer. So I'll have to like sit down and really get in my element. I have my coffee that I made. I didn't put ice in it. Oh my God, I'm dumb. I have this like cup that keeps it cold, and I totally didn't even think, wait, no, iced coffee, you put ice in iced coffee, right? I was like, no, it's gonna keep it cold because the milk is cold. Anyways, it's like a protein coffee, but it tastes exactly like coffee because it's coffee. Like, it has 2 shots of espresso in a scoop. No, in 2 scoops. So 1 shot per scoop. Why do they advertise it like that? That's really weird. This cup is too big for my cup holders, and it's proving a problem right now. It's really good. I love when protein doesn't taste like protein. I'm gonna turn this off. Take a long 5 hours to get there. It's gonna go by really slow for me, but it's gonna go by really fast for you. I'm really jealous. All right, I'm finally here. I just got here. It's 3:30, not too shabby. They're actually at the exact coffee shop that I was hoping they would be at. Am I screaming? Sorry, I'm excited to talk to someone. I'm gonna fix my hair up and fix up my makeup because I'm gonna go in there, gonna do the little interview thing real quick, and then I have to do I can't think anymore, like a collab photo for someone. So I need to look cute in the face. So we're gonna freshen up our makeup in the car right here. I'm gonna run in there, get something to drink. It's really cute in there. It's kind of like it's like a coffee shop. You can sit outside and it's really nice. It's 75 right now, so I probably regret wearing this jacket, but no, I think it'll be cool in the shade actually. But like the inside's kind of like a coffee shop, but kind of like a little grocery market. It's like healthy stuff. So yeah, see you in there. Spotted lonely girl and study student boy. Just took my collab pic, my bracelet, and I got this kale. What are you looking at? You act like you've never seen one vlog before.
This is private.
What are you writing about? Caitlin.
Energy, black solar energy is better than fossil fuels. That's what I'm talking about in my master's course.
You're reaching on
Content.
Yeah. Well, the thing Spotify has been doing, I've absolutely been loving. Like, they made playlists of every year that I've had Spotify for. So the whole way up here I've been listening to my 2016 on repeat, and it's like, oh my God, giving me like major throwback vibes. Like, you can literally just like close your eyes, well, not when you're driving, but like, you know what I mean, like mentally shut your brain off a little and almost be back in that exact time period. But anyways, the reason why I'm bringing this up is because I'm still listening to my 2016. I'm on the way to the house right now that we're gonna go for dinner. But this song came on, and it used to be the intro music to my very, very first videos. ever. So let's see if anybody remembers this. It was literally just like my name scrolling across the screen with this playing. That's it. But I heard that and I was like, what? Oh my god, 2016. I was like, yeah, 2016. That's when I started my YouTube. Crazy. We're basically wearing the same. No, you changed. We were basically wearing the same outfit. She was wearing a sweatshirt that matched this, but I'm wearing white Fila hoodie. She was wearing white Filas. And then we're both in our little sweatpants that I live in. I know, I almost thought you'd just like a bunch of sweatpants for Christmas, and then I remember that you said you want to buy expensive sweatpants. I'm a brand whore. I would say we could give them a tour of the updated apartment, but you have your shit everywhere. I don't know if anything's really changed. There's stairs now with rails. No couch yet, just one lonely chair, but she wants to go. Are we going today, right now? To rooms to go. Oh, you finally peeled off the plastic. That looks good. Oh, the closet. It's not done, but it's made progress. Racks in the closet, racks on racks, and shoe shelf up there. That's just inside. Bathroom's done, finally. I'm sleeping downstairs tonight for the first time. I don't want to. I usually sleep in the bed with them. Three little monkeys.
People a couch in here, and then they'll pick us.
I'm gonna give one of these people a couch in here. Tim. I'm about to fall asleep right now. I'm so tired. They're taking forever.
Content on fleek.
We're walking to Kona Grill right now. We're gonna get some sushi and some. What else do they have?
Sashimi.
Sashimi. Everything is so cute and Christmassy. It's yeah. Predator?
What is that?
I don't know. Go get in it. Dude, imagine gaming in that setup.
What the hell?
Yo, look at this Lego Santa Claus. That is insane. How many Legos do you think went into that?
10,000.
It's 10,071.
You win one piece of candy.
We got spring rolls and avocado egg rolls and sushis, and we're waiting on the Yellowtail to come out. But we came here because they have happy hour. They have a really good happy hour, so we basically are getting like everything. That's the star of the show. All right, it's getting lit. Litty like a Christmas tree. Is that hot? It's like smoking. Oh, baby, baby.
That's too high.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're
You're
good.
like flung that thing at
There's
us.
glass
We didn't even do
everywhere.
it.
I'm like, dude. So this guy was coming to bring us a sake bomb, although we already had it. And I don't know what happened, but it. Alright, you guys want sake? The whole thing just like flew off the table and flew at us, and the glasses broke and shattered all on us. I felt something splash on my forehead. The thing broke in
He
half.
tried to catch it, but when he caught the beer,
And then he just sat there while the beer was laying there pouring out.
he was didn't know
For
what was
real?
going on.
I didn't see it because there was just glass everywhere.
By the way, I employee of the month. I don't know how I made it. That's only the second time I've ever spilled anything off of a tray ever. So
You didn't spill it, you threw it at us. Did we just
Does that
get
mean
this
I
one
can-
for free?
Yeah, that's mine now.
Stage fright. We were gonna get two. But we only got one. And we wanted to get all the desserts, but then we were being cheap. But now we're getting two, one for free, and all the desserts for free.
And a free sake.
I just said that. Wait, you dropped it in without me?
Oh, sorry. Sake.
Breaks it out of it. These are ginormous.
We have forks because our forks were just candy.
This is too
This
nice.
is-
I feel guilty for eating it.
This is what you get for manifesting.
Manifest your dreams, kids. We're in this really nice Dallas horse-drawn carriages and tour buses driving around looking at Christmas lights. Wow. Give us, Frosty.
This is my TV. His name's Sam.
Sunk?
He won't let me unwrap it. Justin likes to keep all the wrapping on all of the
So
home
vote.
items
So
forever.
like if you like this on, and subscribe why you want to take this off.
That makes no sense.
Okay. Well, I tried my hardest.
$1,000 TV. What makes it $1,000?
I don't know. Ultra high def 4K
Why do you want to leave that on?
because it makes it pristine.
It looks like you just stole it from a store and you're and you're planning on taking it back.
And your legs are so white.
Yeah, my whole body is. It's Christmas.
It's a white Christmas.
Oh, rip that off. That's the best part of getting a new electronic.
I love it.
Who wants to write the conclusion to my paper?
At this hour? I feel like my eye's like a little swollen and I don't know why. So it's like driving me crazy. I just put a bunch of eye drops in it. Anyways, so I really don't want to sleep downstairs by myself. So I'm going to fall asleep in the bed while they're in the shower. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Vlogmas. Thanks so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below before you go. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the next episode of Vlogmas. See you later. Goodbye. Peace out. What is it? Later, skaters. Okay, bye.